Alright, so I think I'm recording. Last time it froze up on this problem and I had to restart the computer, so that takes a little bit of time here. Alright, now we're looking at the review problems for Scale 4, which is polynomial functions and rational functions. In this problem, they're asking us to find the equations of the vertical asymptote and the horizontal asymptote, and they may not exist, so that's always a possible answer. You can put not applicable or DNA does not apply, but if they don't exist, just don't leave it blank. Answer it, indicate that there is not an asymptote. Alright, so to determine the horizontal asymptotes, we compare the degree of the numerator against the degree of the denominator. In this case, these are both quadratic functions, and the degrees are both equal to 2. When the degrees are equal, the end behavior is a horizontal asymptote, and it is the line y equals, and we have a ratio of the leading coefficients. The leading coefficient in the numerator was 5, and the denominator 1. 5 divided by 1 is 5. Now, for the vertical asymptotes, I want to factor my numerator and denominator and write this expression in lowest terms. So, if I factor my numerator, the leading coefficient there is a prime number, so that's not too terrible hard to factor. Now, with 4, we've got 1 and 4, or 2 and 2, and of course it's negative, so I need 1 to be positive, 1 to be negative. The middle term is positive, so what if I try just 1 and negative 4? 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So I believe that's how I would factor the numerator. And in the denominator, with the leading coefficient of 1, it's a little bit easier to see that that 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 plus 3 is 5 for my middle term. So for the vertical asymptotes, I do not see any common factors that cancel. This graph does not have any holes. Both of these values are excluded from the domain because they cause division by 0, and in the graph they will appear as vertical asymptotes. We have the two lines, x equals negative 2 and x equals negative 3. Alright, so I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.